We'll guide you through how to turn on private browsing in Safari on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The great thing about private browsing is that your search history and in general your browsing data is not going to be saved. So perhaps you're going to search something you don't want others to go and see or have a record of. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. This is also known as incognito mode on other browsers. The main downside is for me though is that autofill information isn't then used, but it's okay, you can still manually enter it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and open up Safari like so. So you're going to know you're in private browsing because on a blank tab page like this, at the top it'll go and say so. So at the moment I'm just doing normal browsing. What you need to do is go and head to the bottom right of Safari. There you're going to go and find the three dots which you can then tap on, and you want to go and press all tabs in the bottom right. Now at the bottom you should go and see the option for private browsing over to the left. You can see I don't. If you do though, you can press it. If you don't worry. What we need to do is come out of Safari and then go and open up your settings. In your settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for screen time, and you can go and tap there. Next, you want to go down into restrictions and find content and privacy restrictions like so. And then what you need to do is go and find App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then you want to go down to web content and you can go and press that there. And you want to go and change this to unrestricted. So go and enter in the screen time passcode. If you don't know it, you have to get the person who does to go and enter it. Or if you've forgotten it, I'll share it in a moment. I can remember it, so I can go and enter it there to make the change. Now set to unrestricted. If you've forgotten it, you can come back to the main screen time settings, go down to change screen time passcode and tap there. Press change screen time passcode, and what you can do is press forgot passcode, and you can then go recover it by using the Apple ID account you'd have set up to recover it when you first turned on the passcode. So you can then go and get the passcode that way, and then you can go and change the setting and go and set it to unrestricted. So now if I come and return to Safari and we go and open it up, you'll go and see at the bottom we now have the option for private. So I can then tap there, and we can press the new tab button in the bottom left, and you can go and see private browsing. So it says here, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. So yeah, it goes and adds in sort of additional privacy features, which is really useful. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this, as there's so much more to cover and there's more on the channel you can watch as well.